Learn how to apply self-leveling cement on the subfloor of your apartment where vinyl flooring will be installed, in a room similar to this one you're seeing us work on. If you have a commercial space, a house, a garage, any situation, I'll show you in this video how easy it is and that you can do it too, with just 2 people. One person will do the preparation, mix it, and another person will do the work of spreading and leveling the product I'm using here. Well, notice that here we have a subfloor. Yesterday I applied Smart Resina as a primer, okay? If you've been following me for many years, you know that I always use Smart Resina as a primer in my applications. The self-leveling cement I'm using is Nivela Mais, okay? From Dry Lab, I also always use it in my projects. You guys know that. I just mixed a bucket here. The tools you're going to need to use, take a look, come really close here so you can see. Look, this is a 3mm notched squeegee, okay? Which is the thickness of the self-leveling compound. Spiked roller, I'll show you here how to use it. And spiked shoes so you can step on the self-leveling compound. And obviously the handle, right? The extender for these 2 rollers here, roller and squeegee, have I already done it? Have I already attached it? I mixed it. A 20-kilo bag on average, it requires 4.5 liters of water to mix it. And it's going to have this consistency here. Look, come here. Look at this here. It has to have this consistency here, see? Look at this. Look how cool. This is 1 bag. See, we mixed a bag of self-leveling compound here with 4.5 liters of water. Okay? What do I do now? Like I told you guys, just 2 people, guys. You can do a good job here. Look, it's been an hour and a half since we started over there. This haul is 20 by 5 with just 2 people, okay? 1 person is over there mixing the product, making the mixture, and I'm here spreading it. I poured it on the floor, show it up close here. Look, the 3mm squeegee, okay? You're gonna do this here. Look at this. You're gonna spread the product. You don't need to scrape the squeegee on the floor, you know? You don't need to force it. Its own weight is enough. Look, how cool. It fills itself in. Look at this. How nice. And then you spread it all around the perimeter, okay? Look how cool this is. You just keep spreading it here, man. This extra level, it goes a long way. It has really good coverage, okay? Later, I'll put in the description how much I spent. Adding up the entire total area of this hall, right? 5 by 20 will be 100 square meters, so I'll leave it in the description for you. I'll also leave the link to the website where you can buy the self-leveler, the Smart Resina, and the tools, okay? I'll leave everything in the description, and you know that if you use the coupon Hierarchy7 on any product on the website, you'll get a discount, okay? Look how cool this is. Show it up close here so everyone can see. Check this out. How interesting. You just spread the product with the 3mm squeegee. There's no secret. Okay, guys? It's not that hard if you're planning to do it at home. Like, can I leave it like this? You can, as long as after it dries, you apply 2 coats of Smart Resina, okay? Or a PU resin, for example, all right? Like, can you drive a car over it? You can apply it in the garage. Look, now I'm going to come in here with the spiked roller doing this here. Show it up close so people can see. Look at what I'm going to do here. It's going to help spread the product, okay? To level the product here, although it already does the job by itself, right? But the spiked roller helps with this process. It speeds up this process, right? Look, you can see that the marks from the notched squeegee are already disappearing. Let me turn here. Hold on. Since I'm wearing spiked shoes, I can do this. Look, I can step on top of the self-leveling compound. See? That's pretty cool. And that's what the spiked roller is for, see? It helps spread the product, and also, look, check out how cool that is. Look how perfect the product looks once it's applied. Check this out. You just come over and it really goes a long way, guys. This bag of Nivela Mais self-leveler here, see? We're doing on average almost 5 square meters. So we're covering almost 5 square meters here, okay? Okay? a bag of Nivellamized self-leveler, okay? Look at that, how cool. This is an important stage of the self-leveling. You need to do this carefully, okay? So there won't be any bubbles or waves. Show it up close so everyone can see. Look, see? See how it's getting really even, the way the self-leveling is spreading? Look at this one, see? Look how awesome this is, guys. This spiked roller really speeds things up. Here, see? It makes the self-leveling really even, see? You see that? Look how interesting this is. And then you keep doing it like this. While I'm here, for example, spreading and leveling, like I told you, with 2 people you can apply it. The other person is already over there mixing more bags of self-leveler. You get it? So that's how you can apply the self-leveler on the subfloor of your apartment. And then you can install the vinyl flooring, okay? You can install laminate flooring. If you have a space like this and you want to leave it natural like this, you can leave it. You can even drive a car over it. Just remember, it doesn't stay this shiny, okay? This is just during the application. Afterwards, it will become matte. Then you apply 2 more coats of smart resin, and that seals the self-leveler completely. The result is top quality, guys, okay? So this is just a basic explanation for you guys. It's not that complicated. There's no difficulty in applying it. You don't need to buy expensive tools, just the ones I showed here. You'll use a mixing paddle, a professional mixing paddle, a rotary hammer with the mixing paddle, or a drill with the mixing paddle. Since the product must be well mixed, it should look uniform like this, okay? And then I'll leave for you down here in the description all the links you need to do self-leveling in your home, including the tools I'm using. And also the link to the website where you can buy from Escuta Alveio the self-leveling product. And also the smart resin. Remember that the smart resin works as a primer and you need to apply it first on your subfloor. And after it dries, you also apply 2 more coats of smart resin to finish it off perfectly. Look at this work. Look at this work. It's top-notch, tell the truth. I'm just going to apply smart resin here. The client only needs to apply 2 more coats of smart resin. Is it ready? He can use his space to do whatever he wants. Garage, set up his storage, do whatever he wants. Here it's good. That's the tip from the video. I've used this product for years in my work and projects, so I recommend it. You can use it with confidence. All the information is down here in the description of this video. Take care. And for notifications, tap the bell to get video alerts.